want buttery smooth shakes like these, I got you.
Click on the photo and scroll on the bottom until you see basic, and click on scale and resize all the photos to 125. Then add a keyframe in the middle and end to all the photos. For the first photo, click on the second keyframe and slide the photo up till it locks. Then click on Graphs and select Ease in 2. For the second photo, click on the second keyframe and slide the photo left till it locks. Then click on Graphs and select Ease in 2. For the last photo, do the same thing you did to the first photo. You should have this so far. For the first transition, use down. For the second transition, use right. You should have this so far. Now click on the second photo and select Animations, and we are going to use Rock Vertical and make it last the entire photo. For the last photo, we are going to use Rock Horizontally. Time to add the effects. Select Delicate Rays. Select Fancy Sharpen. Select Horizontal Flash. Select Black Flash 2. Select Vintage. For the filters, we are going to add Yandere at 25 and Humble in 25. And done.